Hello folks, I hope you are all doing good. What's that I hear you say? A new camera angle? Oh, pushing the boat out, didn't I? But yeah, so plan for today is go and mess around with that sort of outdoor area a bit and see if we can improve it. Found a few bricks and blocks knocking about. I'm going to try and make like a fireplace kind of thing to shield the wind from one side, and it should also push a bit of the heat back. I'm going to do that, try and make a bit of a stand with a crossbar so that we can cook on it, and yeah, don't know, just have a mess around really, see what we can make. So yeah, fire pit worked really well last night, so definitely want to do a bit of work on that, try and improve that a bit. These vegetables, the lettuce is going, I've put another one in, carrots aren't doing anything, neither is the garlic. I think the problem we have, none of this is organic, so I didn't really know what organic meant, to be honest. You know, whenever I went around the supermarkets and things, I was looked at organic and I'm like, well, I would pay double. But as it turns out, after a bit of research, I think the main thing to organic is, especially like with garlic, for example, the non-organic, or like the standard shit, they actually spray it with something that stops it from shooting again, which is obviously going to work against us. I mean, this is a great little thing, you know, that anyone can do in the van. Especially like putting it in the dashboard and stuff. It's pretty much like a greenhouse. I'm still having to bring them in at night at the minute because obviously it's freezing still. Yeah, it's pretty cool getting into it. As for meat airgun that we've got, we borrowed it off the owner here. I thought it was going to be okay, but after a bit of a play with it yesterday, sort of realised that it's not going to be up to it. It shoots well, it's accurate, but it's a junior, so it's quite low on power. At any kind of realistic range, it's not going to be a clean shot, and that's not fair. I don't want to do that. If I'm going to be, you know, shooting, then it has to be a guaranteed in one side out the other, pretty much. So I've had to order a new one, and that'll be delivered in a few weeks' time because they're a bit busy. I'm going to try and see if I can get hold of a new camera to replace that one. I need one with a screen that flips around forward, because the amount of shots that I get out of focus, it drives me mental. But it's just because I have to guess the focus on the lens because it's all manual. I do have autofocus lenses, but when I use them, all you can hear on there is clicking when it's like moving focus, so that's even more annoying than being out of focus, trust me. There is a Fuji, and it's the XT200, I believe. It's very similar to the camera you're on now, but the screen flips all the way around, so then I can actually make sure that it's in bloody focus. This is what we've got. It's a shitload of bricks. Try and use some of these concrete blocks. Break this one. Yeah, these are solid. There we go. That should be a bit better. Right folks, so that's that. Not finished yet, but just decided to have a bit of a change around of the old camp. I've opened the tarp out all the way, and yeah, now it's twice the size. See? It's not ideal, this tarp is crap to be fair. It was like 15 quid, so it's probably not going to last very long. Could do with getting like a proper thick military one, but it'll do for now.
But then when the wind is coming from...
I'm concerned with my lack of flat sheets, to be honest. Yeah.
Right folks, so video is done and on. CJ was doing his premiere and I hadn't even made it, if I'm honest, so I know they're a bit boring, but it's just documenting my life. This is what's happening at the minute, so that's what's on film. I'm not going to you know, play up to the camera and any of that, because I don't do that. And if that's what you're looking for, then unfortunately you've got the wrong channel. Completely didn't realise that I'd left the camera in day mode. Good one.
Oh, maybe not.
Right folks, that's the lot for today's video. Yeah, I hope you're all doing good, keeping busy, trying to keep a positive mind and forget about all this shit. But yeah, I'm going to bed now, so I shall see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit folks.